Shrove Tuesday, or Pancake Day, has been celebrated in Britain since the 15th century, marking the final chance to use up rich ingredients before the 40-day Lenten fast. These pancakes were traditionally cooked on a cast-iron griddle. The only pancake race, dating back to 1445, commemorates a woman running to church while flipping a pancake. Traditional British Shrove Tuesday pancakes are made using a 10-inch non-stick frying pan or a cast-iron griddle, served as 2 pancakes per person, each about 8 inches in diameter, yielding around 8 pancakes. The recipe includes 1 cup of all-purpose flour, historically stone ground, 1 cup of whole milk or ale beer in the past, 2 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and butter or lard suet for greasing. These thin, crêpe-like pancakes are topped with fresh lemon juice and granulated sugar, with optional golden syrup or honey. Modern substitutions include almond milk and gluten-free flour blends. To make the batter, sift the flour and salt, create a well, add eggs, whisk in milk, and let it rest for 30 minutes. Cook by pouring 1/4 cup of batter into a lightly greased pan, cooking until golden, flipping, and cooking the second side for 30 seconds. Historically, ale replaced milk, and lard or suet was used in place of butter. Serve the pancakes rolled or folded with sugar and lemon juice, best enjoyed warm and traditionally paired with tea or cider. Honey was the common sweetener before refined sugar, and the pancakes remain an important part of British tradition. Flip it, fry it, and enjoy a pancake tradition with a side of fun.